Robotics have been implemented into many industries for over 50 years. The current population of industrial robots in manufacturing industries exceeds 1.2 million. Some industries where they've been implemented are in the production of automobiles, smartphones, assembly lines, packaging and placement, and many more, primarily for the purposes of high endurance, speed, and a high degree of precision and accuracy. Sirona Dental, the pioneer of digital dentistry, is the first manufacturer in dentistry to introduce robotic scanning into your dental laboratory with the revolutionary new laboratory scanner, Eneos X5. The 5-axis technology with robotic arm ensures quick automatic positioning combined with an autofocus feature. Simply select a particular area of interest to acquire, use the point and shoot feature, or combine scanning techniques. This innovative scanning technology offers outstanding precision at less than 12 microns and impressive depth of field. Combine the best of all worlds with multiple scanning methods, including the robotic arm, which allows for free movement in any direction, multi-die scanning for scanning several dies simultaneously, as well as scanning of physical impressions rapidly and reliably. Furthermore, positioning of the most popular articulators allows for unrestricted access of scanning the fully mounted articulated model. Eneos X5 is the most revolutionary, innovative scanner for all of your scanning needs. Experience Eneos X5 today.